Hi there, I'm meteorologist Tom Kippen. The National Weather Service in Negaunee Township has issued a blizzard warning. This is for winds that could frequently gust over 35 miles per hour, and visibility could be a quarter mile or less for 3 consecutive hours, if not more. But you can see the blizzard warning is in effect for the far western UP, the Keweenaw Peninsula, Barraga County, Marquette County, and also Alger County. This is going to go from Wednesday through most of Thursday for these counties here, shaded in the darker orange. Surrounding that is a winter storm warning, and that is in effect here for southern Houghton and Iron counties, and then for Delta Schoolcraft counties and into the eastern UP. No matter if you're in a winter storm warning or blizzard warning, travel is going to be difficult, very difficult, and in fact, as you go west of Marquette, extremely difficult. So unfortunately for the UP, it comes at bad timing with one of the busiest travel days of the year, the day before Thanksgiving. But you got to know that there is a significant winter storm that is on the way, and it could produce blizzard conditions. We also have a winter weather advisory that is in effect here for the south central UP, Dickinson, and Menominee counties. Now, for the snowfall forecast tonight, your Tuesday night on into Wednesday, this is where we're looking at 9 to 15, perhaps exceeding 24 inches of snow as you start to go west of Negaunee and Ishpeming into the western UP and Keweenaw Peninsula. And then around Ironwood, this is where we could see 2 feet of snow, if not more, during this time. And in fact, in the western UP, Keweenaw Peninsula, where the heavier snow sets on up, we could be looking at amounts exceeding an inch of snow per hour. Now, once we get the lake effect snow going, we're going to add on perhaps locally up to 8 inches of snow, perhaps up to another foot of snow in the far western UP, Keweenaw Peninsula, and the higher terrain west of Marquette. But this is when, this time, Wednesday night on into Thanksgiving, this is when the snowbelts east of Marquette start to add up the numbers, and this is where we could see up to a foot, maybe even a foot and a half for some parts of Alger County and northern Schoolcraft County. As we take a look at future track, for most of the UP late this evening, it's all rain, but notice Ironwood, Ontonagon, it's changing over to snow, and that rain-snow line will start to move east Wednesday morning, encompassing the western UP and Keweenaw Peninsula. Still Wednesday morning, it's all rain, Marquette, Gwinn eastward, and then as we head into lunchtime, it's a rain-snow mix, Alger County, Schoolcraft County, and then all rain in the eastern UP, but you can see Gwinn, Marquette westward. Wednesday afternoon, 4 o'clock, it's all snow, and it could be heavy snow. And then as we head into your Wednesday night and Thursday, we're going to change it over to lake effect snow, and it could be locally heavy in the snowbelts east of Marquette as we head into Wednesday night and Thursday morning for Thanksgiving, and the lake effect snow will continue as we head into Thursday afternoon on your Thanksgiving. Here comes the north to northwest wind as we head into your Wednesday afternoon. Look at those wind gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour on Wednesday afternoon, and they could be at or over 50 miles per hour Wednesday night near Lake Superior. And then we're going to keep the windy conditions going as we head into your Thursday morning and also for your Thursday afternoon with a north to northwesterly wind that is going to push some some Lake Superior water onshore. And this is where we do have a lakeshore flood advisory issued by the National Weather Service along the Lake Superior shoreline for the counties in lime green. Next 7 days, Marquette 42, that's going to be a morning high temperature. Temperatures will be around 30 or the 30s by the late afternoon. And then lake effect snow and wind for your Thursday, 28, 25 on Friday. And then another round of snow is possible as we head into Saturday night on into Sunday. Behind that storm system, we open up the month of December cold. Monday, high temperature only 17.